Many accidents occur in day-to-day life, like explosion because of LPG leakage. Major harm is caused if gas leakage is not detected early. But now we can detect the gas leakage using the MQ5 gas sensor. In this IoT gas leakage detector, device will get connected to Wi-Fi. The minimum and maximum parameter can be set accordingly. This LPG gas detector system senses the LPG gas using MQ5 gas sensor. This device will continuously monitor the level of LPG gas present in the air. While monitoring, if the value of LPG gas in air is within the set limit, then the RGB LED on the circuit will glow green, giving a safe sign. And whenever the gas exceeds above the predefined limit, then the RGB LED will glow red, and simultaneously solenoid value will turn off and update it over IOT. This Arduino and IoT project will help in detecting gas leakage in the surrounding.